Dear children, myself your maths teacher Pragna here to explain you the concept of finding the rational numbers between any two numbers given. Here is a problem to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So always remember, whenever the number of rational numbers are asked to find out, you have to add that one 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So you are writing 7 in the denominator. So in the numerator you will be writing the given number 3 and multiplied by 7. As you have already multiplied 7 in the denominator, same 7 you will be multiplying to the numerator also. 3 sevens are 21. So your final answer of the rational number 3 is 21 by 7. Same step to be followed for 4. Denominator is 7. In the numerator you will be writing 4 into 7, which is equal to 28 by 7. Now let us collect all the rational number. 21 by 7, which is less than 22 by 7. Again it is less than 23 by 7. Simultaneously 23 by 7 less than 24 by 7, which is less than 25 by 7, less than 26 by 7, less than 27 by 7, which is less than 28 by 7. The 6 rational number between 3 and 4, you have got 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. So it is 21 by 7 in the starting, and at the end you are having 28 by 7 for the number 4. Now let us collect all the 6 rational numbers which are in between that 3 and 4. So the rational numbers are therefore 6 rational number between 3 and 4 are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. There is another problem. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here it is asked to calculate 5 rational number. So as you know, in the previous step what you have done, 6 rational number means you have done 6 plus 1 7. So 5 rational number means it will be 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So let us take the first number here, 3 by 5. Because it is in the rational fraction form, you will be multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 6. As they asked you to calculate 5 rational number in the question, you are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 6. So you are getting 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30. Now let us take the second number, which is 4 by 5. Here also you are following the same step of multiplying both numerator and denominator by 6. Four 6 are 24 and 5 6 are 30. So now you have to calculate the rational numbers between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. (18 by 30), which is less than 19 by 30, less than 20 by 30, less than 21 by 30, less than 22 by 30, less than 23 by 30, less than 24 by 30. Here 18 by 30 represent 3 by 5. That is the first term here. And also 24 by 30 representing 4 by 5 in the last term. Let us collect all the remaining 5 rational numbers in between that. Before that, you can cancel 0, 0 and 20 by 30. And in the next number, you can see 3 sevens are 21, 3 tens are 30. So I am simplifying the rational number into its standard form. 2 11s are 22 and 2 15s are 30. So after doing the simplification to the standard form, now let us collect all the 5 rational numbers which are between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are 19 by 30, 2 by 3, after simplification 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, so 2 by 3, 7 by 10, 11 by 15 and 23 by 30. Thank you.